Start with a magic ring. Now, work 10 single crochets into the ring. Remember, the starting chain you made to secure the ring does not count as a single crochet. First single crochet. Second single crochet. Third single crochet. And continue until you reach 10 single crochets. Make sure you're stitching around both strands of the ring to keep it firm and secure. As you work, gently adjust your stitches so they're evenly spaced around the loop. Once you've completed all 10 single crochets, pull the yarn tail to close the ring tightly. And join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to complete the round. Begin with the first petal. Chain 10, this will form the base of your petal. Work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then, make 1/2 double crochet in the next chain. And 1 double crochet in the following chain. Next, work 1 treble crochet in each of the next 3 chains. This builds the height of the petal. Chain 1. Then work 1 treble crochet in the next stitch of the ring. Finally, chain 1 again to complete your first petal. For the second petal, begin by making a slip stitch into the next stitch of the ring. Then, chain 10 to form the base of your next petal. Work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Next, make 1/2 double crochet in the following chain. and 1 double crochet in the next. Continue by working 1 treble crochet in each of the next 3 chains. First treble crochet, second treble crochet, and third treble crochet. Chain 1. Then work 1 treble crochet into the next stitch of the ring. Chain 1 again to complete the second petal. For the third petal, simply repeat all the steps of the second petal. You should now see 3 petals forming beautifully around your ring. For the fourth petal, repeat all the steps of the second petal. You should now see 4 petals forming beautifully around your ring. For the fifth petal, repeat all the steps of the second petal. Finally, make a slip stitch to secure, completing your 5th petal. You should now see 5 petals forming beautifully around your ring.